Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Meet the CMF Phone 2 Pro by Nothing. From its eye-catching design to powerful internals, this device aims to deliver premium features without the premium price tag. Let's break it all down. Let's start with design. The CMF Phone 2 Pro follows Nothing's minimalist design philosophy with a clean, industrial look, but it also introduces something unique, an accessory point with a removable cover. That means custom attachments or accessories can be added with ease. At just 7.8 mm thick and 185 grams, the phone feels slim, lightweight, and easy to hold. And yes, it's IP54 rated, making it resistant to dust and splashes. This display is a stunner. You get a 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED panel with HDR10 plus support, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest screens in its category. It features an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, a 1000 Hz touch sampling rate, and even a 2160 Hz frequency for reduced eye strain. And the Panda Glass offers solid protection against scratches. Next up, cameras. The CMF Phone 2 Pro packs a 50-megapixel main sensor with EIS and face detection autofocus for crisp and stable shots. You also get a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical and 20x digital zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 119.5-degree field of view. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel camera with a bunch of AI features. Video recording? It handles 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at up to 60 fps, slow mo at 120 fps, and even 4K time-lapse. Under the hood, the CMF Phone 2 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5G chipset, with 8 cores clocked up to 2.5 GHz on a power-efficient 4nm process by TSMC. It delivers buttery smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing. Paired with Nothing OS 3.2 based on Android 15, the experience is fluid, snappy, and refreshingly bloatware-free. You can pick from 8GB plus 128GB or 8GB plus 256GB variants. And if that's not enough, storage is expandable up to 2TB via microSD, which is almost unheard of in this category. Whether you're shooting 4K videos or hoarding apps, you're covered. Battery life? Solid. You get a 5000 mAh battery that comfortably lasts over a day of heavy use. Charging is quick too, with 33W wired charging, and there's even 5W reverse wired charging to juice up accessories. With Panda Glass on the front and IP54 water resistance, it's built to withstand everyday challenges. It might not survive a dive in the pool, but rain or accidental splashes won't be a concern. Connectivity is top-notch. It supports dual SIM, 5G dual mode, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. There's NFC for Google Pay, Wi-Fi Direct, and even advanced hotspot features. It covers an impressive range of 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G bands, perfect for travelers or those living in areas with spotty coverage. In the box, you'll find the CMF Phone 2 Pro, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a phone case, a pre-applied screen protector, SIM ejector tool. So, is the CMF Phone 2 Pro worth it? Absolutely, for users who want premium features like a great display, solid performance, and an impressive camera setup without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a powerful mid-range phone with a unique design and reliable specs, this one should be on your radar. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is this your next smartphone? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.